Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. In this lab, I'm going to show you how to use the called party transformation pattern to change the DNIS information. Here, for example, we're going to configure TEHO in a local route group. When a user, a HQ user, when they dial 11-digit local number, which happens to be the number from their own city, that call will use a local route group as a 7-digit. In case of HQ gateway is down, the call will be routed by San Francisco but as a 11-digit number. Now in order to achieve that, I have a long distance pattern which should match this number that the user is dialing. But this match will go to a route list that only has a single gateway. So I need to add a third alternative gateway, which will be the route group, for example. So if I want to add modify this one, rather I'll do is I'll make a copy of this one. We'll call this PSTN with backup. Okay, so here I will add a secondary route group. Let's say San Francisco. And reset. Okay, now I will point this to the route list that I have right here, and I will put it into this backup. I'm going to remove 9 pre-dot, as you can see, and save. So technically what is supposed to happen is when this call is going via the local route group of HQ, it will go out a 7-digit. So we will test this call. So here I should see the call going out to PSTN as 7-digit. So I'll dial new call 1416-804-8444, and when I dial this pattern, as you can see, it's going out as 11-digit, which is not correct. So the idea is that the call should go via this gateway as a 7-digit number. Now, just to verify my backup works, so all I'll do, I will disable this gateway, no MGCP, so that the call can go via the backup route if it's working. And as you can see, it hit the backup gateway, so which is fine and is ringing out. Now how do we manipulate so that when the call goes via the San Francisco gateway, sorry, HQ gateway right here, that it should go out 7, but when it goes via the SFO gateway, it should go out as 11. Well, the most simplest form to achieve that is probably to do it in the route list level. So I'll show you in a quick example. In route list, I could probably say in the call party transformation that send the last 7-digit. And for the San Francisco, send the call as it is. So if I reset, so again, let's verify this. Just redial. Oops, my mistake. I gotta put the MGCP back. But the call did go out here as 11-digit, as you can see. Okay, so my T1 establish, and I will try again. and this time the call should go via the Toronto gateway. Ring out. Now you can see that in Toronto I'm sending now 7-digit, so HQ dials this, goes a 7-digit, and if I were to shut this down, gateway again, no MGCP, and go to San Francisco, which is my backup, and all I'm going to do is redial again, and the call, as you can see, goes by 11-digit number. So this is one way of achieving it. So what is the alternative way? Alternative way is to use the call party transformation pattern. So let's go and use that. So right now I will put this back to normal. Oops, wrong place. So because of these settings right here, it was sending the last 7 digits. So I will change this back to normal, and I will show you how to achieve the same thing using call party transformation mask in the next lab.